What a beautiful day.
Very nice day.
It is. Nice day for a little... Holy shit! Is that Rona? I think I see Rona! Oh my god, get it, get it, get it! Ah, shit! Oh, ah! Did you get it? Did you get it?
I did.
Can I come out now?
Only if you're double backs.
Oh, shit. Once again, back for some more fun, because fun. Today we have Taylor. He's loading mags and smoking a cigarette.
Oh, fucking got it.
And he has with him a couple interesting little pieces here. A semi-auto 22. What kind is that?
That's Mossberg.
North Haven, Mossberg. Oh, an old Mossberg. And you got something chambered in 308. What is this?
Sportaz 308.
Sporterized 308.
398 actually.
Damn, that's gonna be fun.
VNZ 44.
Good times,
Sorry.
good times. Thirty years since she's fired.
Just a little fucking high.
Fuck.
You
Drop that rear sight. Hit the chain. Nice.
Oh, safety's on. Look at me being safe.
You're really good at that.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna shoot and then you go.
Here we go.
Clear. That was pretty cool.
Clear.
Okay. I'll start. Okay. I'm good. Now I'm gonna start.
Yeah.
Woo!
Clear.
Clear. Come on.
Yeah, that's definitely like I don't know, what is that, like a hip bone or shoulder blade or something?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Or some years.
This is definitely
Oh, there's another leg bone there.
leg bone, man. Holy leg bone. Yeah, maybe this was a deer.
Gotta be. Hopefully not a person.
Oh, there's some more spine over here.
Okay.
Some spinal cord right by a shotgun shell.
What happened there?
Mm-hmm. Interesting. So today we're making some buttermilk biscuits. We don't have much time, but we have some tannerite. I think it's gonna be good. Yeah. Okay, well, let's make this disappear. So this was an IKEA table, I think, right? You say you had one like it?
I did. Piece of shit.
Well, it's done a good job at not being a table, just a little target stand today. So it's not a total piece of shit. I don't know, man. The more you put around it, the more fun it is.
Fucking campers leaving their front
Because, you know, remember, we're not too far away from this, right?
Not at all. It's gonna go that way.
Okay. Good. Okay, well then, let's go this way.
Here we go.